To connect Shopify with TikTok Shop, you first need to ensure your businesses meet the eligibility requirements. Your TikTok account must be a business account linked to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, and your Shopify store needs to be operating in a supported region. You will also need to have at least one product in your Shopify catalog that passes TikTok Shop's review guidelines. Before starting the technical integration, log into your TikTok Shop Seller Center, go to the My Account section, and verify that your documents are approved and that your shop is not restricted. This initial preparation saves you from errors during the direct connection process. The simplest method is using the official TikTok Sales Channel app inside Shopify. From your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings and then Apps and Sales Channels. On this page, click the large Shopify App Store button, search for TikTok, and install the official app developed by TikTok. Once installed, a new sales channel will appear on the left sidebar. Click on the TikTok Sales Channel and select Connect Account. A TikTok login window will pop up. Log in using the credentials for your primary TikTok business account. You must then authorize the connection by clicking Confirm and Authorize to link your TikTok Seller Center to your Shopify backend. After authorization, the setup wizard will guide you through data sharing and store verification. You will see a screen asking you to set up a TikTok Business Center if you do not already have one. This is necessary for managing the advertising pixel. Follow the prompts to create or connect your existing business center. Next, you need to sync your product catalog. This is a critical step because your Shopify products must match TikTok's policies. Choose the target region for your TikTok shop and select the products you want to sync. The app will automatically map your Shopify product categories to TikTok's categories, but you should manually review each product to fix mapping errors, missing attributes, or restricted keywords. Products missing a global trade item number such as a GTIN or barcode must have a valid exemption provided before they will appear on TikTok Shop. The final step involves shipping and order management. In the TikTok Sales Channel settings inside Shopify, configure your shipping templates. You can either set a default free shipping rate or import custom shipping profiles from your TikTok Seller Center. For fulfillment, ensure you activate the Order Sync feature. This allows incoming TikTok Shop orders to automatically appear in your Shopify orders list for centralized processing. Once an order is fulfilled and a tracking number is added in Shopify, the status syncs back to TikTok instantly, completing the shipment process without manual updates. If your products disappear from your shop, check the Product Status tab inside the app to see if they were deactivated for policy violations or missing information. Correct the flagged issues and resubmit them directly from Shopify to restore your live listings.